there comes Adesh with our school in his hand. And this is how they are drying the grains. Hello!
And this is the Savarpada village where we are constructing our school. Such an untouched, beautiful little village. We're so happy to serve.
And we're heading towards the school we are constructing. Namaste! Namaste, Madana!
Oh, the little baby. And towards the end of the street, on the right, is the school that we are so wholeheartedly building with love and care, complete dedication, all because you contributed your valuable money and trusted me with it.
This is the school we are constructing, and you can see a part of the compound wall already. So amazing. The walls are up. Hello! This is the old school. So they only had one room to sit in, and it's locked right now because they still haven't opened the school. And this is where we've stacked our construction material for now. Some iron rods over here, some logs over there, and you can already see the bricks up. Namaste Salim bhai. So सलीम भाई जो है वो हमारी कंस्ट्रक्शन स्कूल बनाने में मदद कर रहे हैं यहाँ पर, ये जो देख रहे हैं. थैंक यू सलीम भाई. हेलो. And that's Pooja over there. Pooja, one of the architects who have designed the school. And that's Rishi on the phone, the other architect who's the brain behind the school. So Pooja, can you tell us what we are looking at over here?
Yes, this is actually the exact school area where you're standing right now. So what we have thought of is, these are the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah.
These are all planted by the students.
Yeah, so
What we have done is we
beautiful.
have, these curves are actually accommodating the trees inside. So
beautiful.
These students have their own tree in the courtyard.
Superb.
So where we are standing, this is going to be the blackboard. And the blackboard has this storage behind it.
Superb.
So you can lock everything here, and the teacher will be teaching here, you will be sitting here, and then you have your own coat here. But actually the rain is falling, so you have the roof still here. So this is a class and a courtyard. Second is this
Beautiful.
class. This is the second class. You have a blackboard here for that. And then you that blackboard can be utilized from the back also. From where the ground people can sit. Then you have this classroom and the courtyard. And the third classroom with the blackboard and the courtyard.
Superb.
So everything has a open space and a covered space. Own courtyard, a good light coming inside. And this is the main wall, which is we are calling it as a blackboard school. So the entire wall is going to be into black wall. So students will be started writing from here, will run till the end of the entrance classroom. So this is going to give them a huge canvas.
Superb.
So write down everything on the system. So
Superb.
that's what we are planning of making on the floor, giving on all the walls to writing on.
Superb. So even the floor will be something that the students can write on.
Yeah, students can write.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. So we have 3 classrooms over there. One over there, right there.
Generally what they need is first and second is very small children are sitting in the center.
हाँ.
And there are only 2 faculties. So these are the 2 classes.
Correct.
third and fourth standard.
Yeah.
So the faculty will be sitting here. Even if there is only one teacher teaching, they'll be looking at entire.
Yeah. So she can actually take care of the entire class. Superb.
Purposely, we have kept this wall a little low
Hmm.
so that the villagers can actually communicate
Haan.
to the school. So they don't
Right.
need that kind of a privacy. That
Correct. Lovely. Superb. Rishikesh. So we just got an idea of how the school is coming up. So you want to put in your inputs as to why you have constructed this school this way.
The first and the foremost idea that this is not a school that we want to call it. It is a learning place where students will just exchange their ideas. Because the conventional school is in the opposite side where there are the conventional classroom like a setup. But this is more like an open space where kids will actually try to interact with each other and there is a certain kind of knowledge exchange that will happen in a most conducive manner. So the whole idea is to instigate that kind of an activity where kids can play, study, learn and exchange knowledge. And it is not only they operate during the day but also once the school hours are completed, then people who are residing here can actually use this place and this can become like a magnet where activity magnet where people from these neighborhoods can actually utilize this area. And it become like a community space is what we dream of.
Beautiful. Excellent thought. And you want to tell us what's happening over there in the courtyard in the center? You saw the school.
So the courtyard is the central open space.
Shall we go there?
Yeah.
So this is kind of a wall we are creating, as I have already mentioned, as a black wall. So this can be utilized from outside also. So when the villagers have some meeting, functions,
beautiful.
marriage functions are happening.
Superb.
You can actually the night school also. You can use this wall as a blackboard.
Superb.
And this is
Oh my
entirely a
god.
auditorium. If
Beautiful.
you come out,
You can see the kids are actually interacting with the model. Curiosity in their eyes.
Yeah, so we have the model here. Before Pooja and Rishikesh take us through the courtyard, I'll just show you how it looks
it's little
in the model.
damaged because of the travel.
Yeah, but we get an idea of what it is. So that's the center courtyard. This is the
these
school.
are the three classrooms what we're talking about. These are the three courtyards. This is a central space. Then you have this huge wall which is in the black. This is another wall which is black. This is the entrance wall.
This is the
So
entrance.
you have a parking and the gate here. To enter here into the ground, you have a stage and amphitheater. And this is the old building which is existing here.
Yeah.
And we are connecting it through a plinth, a circular plinth. So you have a marriage here. So the entire village is sitting here. The couples can utilize, the families can utilize this space. This can be a COVID center. Can be used as a hospital. Hospital also. This central space can be matches are happening here. Everybody is sitting all around here.
Yeah.
So this is actually going to be center for a village. Where they can actually utilize it for a multiple way.
Superb. And the way.
24/7 it has to work. Each and every inch has to be utilized.
Superb.
That's what the thought.
The inspiration is phenomenal, and take us through what the center space is like.
So as you can see that this is an old building of the school, and where are we right now is actually at the start of the new building. So the courtyard is actually kind of a connector between the two buildings. It is a central open space where we are intending that kids will utilize this space during the day for playing purpose. And also as Usha was saying that all the exterior walls we are going to paint with black color, and kids are going to write over these walls. So there is again all the elements, architectural elements which are planned are, as I said earlier, are more conducive for the knowledge sharing purpose. And this space that we thought is one of the very important and the critical pivot that connects between old and the new.
Superb. Thank you. So here I am in the school, the beautiful school. Hope you like our little project. That's the school that we are constructing right behind me, and this is the central courtyard where it's going to be all gatherings, stage right behind me where you see that little wall, and the old school behind me over here. So amazing! Thank you so much for all those who have contributed and in kind, in money for building this school. Thank you so much, and you'll see the results very, very soon. Mwah. And welcome to some behind the scene action. Pooja in action.
That's Adesh in action.
ते बघ दिसतं तुला तिथे घरातले नको बघतात बघ
हाँ.
हे कम्युनिकेशन आहे ना विलेज
Hi.
हे लोक जे मागून जातील ना तेव्हा मुलं शाळेत शिकतात ते बघणार मुद्दाम आम्ही ह्या भिंतीला खाली ठेवलं
छान. त्यांना पण एकदम असं त्यांच्या समोर एक मोठी भिंत आली तर असं
एकदम बंद वाटलं.
बंद नको
नको
वाटायला.
वाटायला.
मस्त.
हा फोटो इथून ते दिसतंय आणि हे जे प्रोजेक्ट आहे जे ब्लॅक होऊन जाईल ना एकदम अमेझिंग दिसेल.
ताई कुठे पळू नका, थांबा. नाही 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 बाजूला नाही, तुम्हालाच काढायचं होतं. की कशी वाटते तुम्हाला शाळा? भरपूर दिवस लागले पण छान होईल, खूप छान होईल. हाय, तुझं नाव काय? सुवर्णा. तू कितवीत जातेस? 8वीत. मग तू तिकडे जातेस का? मोठ्या शाळेत जातेस? त्र्यंबकला. कशी जाते मग? हां, अच्छा तिथेच राहते. तसं सुट्टीची इथे आहे. हां नाही चांगलं आहे. घरी आता होतील सुरू, हळूहळू सुरू व्हायला लागल्यात. छान.
That's Salim Bhai and Adesh at work, getting all the basics in place under the expert guidance of Pooja and Rishikesh.
काय करताय तुम्ही? लेवल करतो.
It is so satisfying to see what you have contributed towards actually coming to life under such dedicated, hardworking, fully devoted people like all the ones you see here. So blessed to be a part of this project.
काय फोटो आहे?
आपको 7 इंच लगेगा, 7 इंच लगेगा, मतलब एक ब्लॉक लगेगा आपको 8 इंच का है ना ब्लॉक.
And that's one of the masons working on the exterior of the school, the outside compound wall. I am loving this. And the peace and calm you experience while you're there on site in this village is just priceless. Maybe I'll buy some property here and just settle down right there.